How to fix you can't send and receive money with this person in Cash App. So if you are facing this issue, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you the solutions that you can try to fix this problem. So let's start. So if you're encountering this SMS on Cash App, it is usually indicate that the issue is related to the security restriction or the account settings. So here's how you can resolve this issue. First is verify the other person account. The first option is blocked or restricted account. The recipient account might be restricted or blocked by the Cash App. You need to ask them to check for any notification in their app. The second thing it can cause is inactive account. So ensure the recipient has the active and verified Cash account. Now second thing you can do is check for the blocked contacts. So go to the settings, privacy in Cash App and check your blocked list. So if the recipient is blocked, unblock them. So in the iOS and Android, tap their name in the block list and select unblock option. The third thing you can do is check for the region restrictions. So Cash App works only in the US and UK. If either you are or the recipient in the restricted area, you can't receive or send money. The fourth thing you can do is verify payment details. So double check the recipient cash tag, phone number, email to ensure they are correct. The fifth thing you can do is security and account flags. So unusual activity, Cash App might block transaction if it suspect fraudulent activity. Ensure your account and the recipient account are verified. Avoid sending larger and unusual payment that might trigger fraud detection. The sixth thing you can do is update the Cash App. So ensure both you and recipient are using the latest version of app. Update it from the App Store or Google Play Store. The last thing you can do is reach out to the Cash App support. So if the issue persists, contact the Cash App customer support. Open the Cash App, go to the profile icon, click on support and then click on something else. Then select the issue and contact support. So these are the all things you can try to fix this error. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.